In this video, we will learn about Vivipary. This is a special type of germination seen in plants. Very specific plants like Rhizophora and Soneraceae, which are found in marshy lands or on sea coasts, show this type of germination. So these are termed as mangrove plants. Now what does Vivipary means? So Vivipary means that they give birth to young ones. So this is observed in animals generally. Example is humans. That means when a organism gives birth to another organism, it directly gives birth to young ones is what vivipary is. But in plants, we know that seeds have to be sown inside a ground. So inside the ground, the seed will germinate to give radicle and plumule eventually. But in this, the seeds germinate inside the fruit and the nourishment by it is received. But here the speciality is the fruit is still attached to the parent plant. That is, if we see here a twig of a plant like Rhizophora produces flowers, and this flower will eventually give rise to a fruit. Now inside fruit we know it has a seed. Now generally we have to sow the seed and get the germinating seedling. But here from the fruit we can see that the radicle has started germinating even when the parental plant is still having the fruit. Now in this, the embryo grows not only out of the seed but also out of the fruit, and it appears as a projection from the fruit inside it, and it forms a green seedling displaying root and hypocotyle. Now due to its increasing weight as the days goes by, these seedlings will eventually increase in size, mass, etc. And because of the weight, it separates from the parent plant and falls onto the mud or into water, based on which habitat it is found in, and will soon develop lateral roots. So here we can see a fruit, and from fruit we have the radicle which is coming out, and because of the weight it will fall into the water. So directly, since the hypocotyle has already produced, so it can easily start to produce the roots into the ground. And this is how Rhizophora, which is found in the marshy regions of mangroves, germinate. Now to summarize, we have mangroves which are found in the sea coast, and this is an adaptation because if the seed or fruit directly falls into the ground, it will not be able to germinate because of the water. So it is found in saline water. So because of this condition, it may not germinate. Now for this, it has adaptation, that is the seed will start to germinate when it is still attached to the parental plant. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.